Kennedy Japan said, you IGP, you know. One can say he thinks you know. Or see, you know who killed JB Danquah. Leave the young Ghanaians alone. Stop intimidating Ghanaians. IGP, stop sending police officers to go kill young innocent Ghanaians. Tell us who killed JB Danquah for us to have some faith and believe in you. You know who killed JB Danquah? You are a murderer protecting murderers, because if you believe that people have to face the law, if you IGP would to say I was say police a fair and just bring criminals to the floor for them to be judged, or for the law to be applied, why are you not making a statement? Your credibility is gone. I see you as an accomplice. I see you as a IGP who protects murderers.
Ahaye Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise.
Ye de kunja papa nkwa na ye de so pe kunja papa bla Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise. Ye wa kunja bia wa ha kunja bia ope bia. Egypt ekunja, Germany ekunja, Italy ekunja, ekunja bia de bia onim say ye kunja papa no e ko na Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah o de le wit. O hwa kunja amesimu. Na wangasa o hwa kunja la we Egypt enye China de ni. Eye Egypt akunja. We share bia no class de bia nete e bia papa every Egypt a de aba we ye de ma etufo bo e kunja bia ope wasase we so na Obiri Yeboah nko na betuma mo China kunja pe e na ye ni bi but e kunja bia country bia kunja ope no ye de wo say bla na be challenge yen na be say e kunja ope say ye ntumi enya ma wa bla Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise e wa be kan free pie junction ho na usane first round second round no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Furniture Enterprise ewo ho. Se o pese oni Nana Obiri Yeboah din kita ho bia. Fre 0558 78 2268. Ana se 0277. Tie no mani ye 0277 469933. Ekunja bia o pe no. Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah no ntunchia. Se o pe kunja we enene mpa seta. No man no fre no man Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah be ma we kunja we enene mpa. Ekunja bia wa ha bia ope enene mpa seta na Isaac Obiri Yeboah nko na ebetumi ama obi e wo Ghana ha.
Kevin Taylor Edin Simbi ababetu edwa ede afa eye IGP ye papa George Akufu Dampare ho a wechirimo ese eye IGP wo criminal na wono wo ka on the basis say honorable Kennedy Japan Edin Simbi ababetu edwa ebrebi atwamo ede fa JB Danquah edu ewo no ho a wechirimo ese ye Dampare enim nipa wo ku JB Danquah edu achese wonim ni wo no ho ebi enso besi sabre de say ye papa George Akufu Dampare watimi ababonten ababe chiremu ana wababe kase ye ampa JB Danquah edu ni wo no ye nhwehwemu na kwakwa kosise ni say even sexy dondon ensem mpo e bai kwampo kame akwakwa yes ensem no kwakwa ye foolish case inti say ya kan say we de ato eye wo so na say ni nyina mu watimi aka wano atomu na wo ma bunu ana say wo ma mu a etimi ekọ tututuo ekunkun krofo na ni nyina so ntimi enka bibia emfa ho de na chese wono wo ye criminal ankasa wo ye obi a chese wo mo efo eye etutura sam eso na wo chiremu am na anu ada arise Ghana for demonstration so chese eye atututuo so wo timamufo ene aposifo entamu no wo chiremu krampa na chese eye IGP ne memu ani bi eheda she demonstrators for ni bi ntade ene wo mo start etutura sam no a chese wo no IGP no wo ya aware of the so enu ti wo bu nani edi aguso a chese eye adwura ensem so wo hono a wo mu edi eye anniversary edi afa eye owuo na so ne basabasa ye otimi stop eye wo mu na chese ni nyina mu no wo mu ede eye nyoma bi akata wo manim ena wo mu edi boni ewosum asem na Honorable Kennedy mpo ena wodi eye ne ho eye a wo chire mu ese eye Honorable wo pe ma shebe dwa akonya no edi enso so wuntimi ma bonte me kase emre bi atwam onsem a me ka de kire IGP se wonim JB Danquah edu ewu no ewon no na se wonim omo kunu no womra no me kire mu no wontimi enka edia na enye wo ma panyin na wo pe edia wo pe se nkrofon to ba enfama no na won so no na chese sabio won so wonim wo no ebi na wo ka wano edia tun se won no bo e pa chese wonim wo no ebi dia won fa JB Danquah edu edia no enye ni priority anasa ni campaign message say wo ba IGP abringe the corporate anasa wo enim JB Danquah edu ewu no no wo ho ensem no wo de wo ebekọ asindibia ama nkwe etimi adade da so wentimi amba ponte ama meka dia na just wo ne IGP papa George Kufu Dampare wo nyina wo enim JB Danquah edu ewu no ho ebia wo eka wo no ede to no for yengoti Kevin Lansem no emra ye ba ye beto aso
Kennedy Japan say, you IGP, you know. One can say he thinks you know. Or see, you know who killed JB Danquah. Leave the young Ghanaians alone. Stop intimidating Ghanaians. IGP, stop sending police officers to go kill young innocent Ghanaians. Tell us who killed JB Danquah for us to have some faith and believe in you. You know who killed JB Danquah? You are a murderer protecting murderers, because if you believe that people have to face the law, if you IGP would say I was say police fair and just bring criminals to the floor for them to be judged or for the law to be applied, why are you not making a statement? Your credibility is gone. I see you as an accomplice. I see you as a IGP who protects murderers. Kennedy Japan Akaye. Or see, you know, you placed the call, you said it. He said it on record. He was not assuming. He was not saying or say, he know you know and you cannot lie. We are Christian, I will say we ni papa pa. On no muku murder JB Danquah. Tell us Kennedy is lying or not. And suddenly, Kennedy too has decided not to speak on that matter again. Why has Kennedy Japan so we jais has some neka or no so or say or nimni poku JB Danquah now or no so and there we jai he was daring the police a few months ago. He was daring the police. He was telling them that he is going to expose it. He said so many things. Why is Kennedy or super president, you know, why is he not calling IGP out and say, I Kennedy Japan, I am a truthful man. Dampare, I said this and I still stand by it. And anytime person be president, you know who killed JB Danquah. I didn't think Kennedy ID. I didn't think Dampare ID, because they know they came together to do this. Because until IGP comes out to say Kennedy lied or Kennedy did not lie, I still will never trust an IGP who is involved in the murder of a member of parliament. So until he proves himself, we are talking about the Ghana Police Service. We are not talking about Methodist choir. We are not talking about Anglican choir. We are talking about the head of the police service in Ghana. A member of parliament says, you know who murdered a member of parliament. And you are quiet about it, going after young men, going after students. Come and tell us who murdered JB Danquah. You have no credibility. In no country on earth would they make you an IGP and still keep you there. Because basically, as we speak, you are a suspect in the murder of JB Danquah. If any international investigation group come to Ghana, they would say, let the IGP resign. National security force, international security expert, you know. If we go outside to bring some people to come and investigate JB Danquah's death, one, Kennedy Japan will be told to step out of parliament. Two, IGP will be told to step out of parliament. They are people of interest when it comes to the murder of JB Danquah. So why are we here? Why is the IGP still parading in Ghana as a legitimate, honest person? Somebody who can protect murderers of a member of parliament will not mind sending criminals to go and murder another policeman. Somebody who can protect murderers of a member of parliament will never mind sending police officers to go and shoot Ghanaians and say, oh, he was an armed robber, like what he did at Nkranza. A police officer, an IGP, who can protect murderers of a member of parliament will never mind telling Ghanaians that, you know what happened at Ejeso or Ejra is a simple thing. He has nothing to do with it. But see, IGP Dampare is a what a culprit in the murder of JB Danquah until he organizes a press conference and tell us what he knows. Just come out and tell us the Kennedy kind of but pretending as if you are not hearing. Majority of the policemen and women in Ghana, they don't trust you. The comedy, the Kele Wole frying, the Jack Chan moves, the nonsense and the paparazzi, they don't trust you. You have tainted the police force. Today, when you Google Dampare, you and an IGP who is involved in the murder of a member of parliament. Now, mo amutia bruchen kwasia for mo support kwasia die we no. Say anka member of parliament, another congressman ya boni din, another congressman akoka say. Eye congressman we owu ye no. Eye police officer we nim. Minim onim nipa oku no na be gina ho no ye call. O just say congressman no. He will still be in Congress and also that police you know obe keep the juma. Ye Jimmy. This paparazzi celebrity, I wanna be girls chains IGP way. Where Jantra draws IGP the audio, he's being manipulated by politicians. Come and clear yourself, clear your name, and let us know the position you are occupying. It's not a position to protect murderers. And I also throw in this challenge to Kennedy Japan. Open President Teddy Meboa. Open President Teddy. Abuzanga. Open President Teddy. Abuzanga. Come and tell us. The Okan and Ano, Sabe can and the President Teddy. Asemna mekan me dan ho gina so Dampare he cannot lie. He know who murdered JB Danquah. Abuzanga ene de also won kan ho asem bi mugin say ye Jimmy ohun. Munyina you have come together. We want answers to the murder of JB Danquah. Because ye de tiade nimpo say Dampare nim nipo ku JB Danquah. We never knew. Nobody knew until Abuzanga came to tell us. Say Dampare knows who murdered JB Danquah. So I want Abuzanga, who wants to be president today, to come out. Una wa no so. Una onimun samaka. Una utisa adwe. Come and dare Dampare. Come and dare the police force. Ye Jiminti. Yen sanko salama obia onim the murder of JB Danquah to come and be president. That is a mwana. Prove to me wrong. Prove me wrong, Abuzanga. Abuzanga Kennedy. Prove me wrong. Would you say a Jimmy oh? Until you, the two of you, Dampare and you, Kennedy, Baku will speak on this matter. Kennedy, why have you stopped daring the IGP, daring the police force? You know something. And until you come out, you are still a suspect in the murder of JB Danquah. But at least the suspect in jail did a video on the Bible. See, you, Kennedy Japan, you sent him. And are you to come out to say, IGP knows? So it means it is well connected. A connected power. Yes, I don't know. So when I was smart, so go JB Danquah. And a while also Bible Tibeka say yes. Unim nipo ku JB Danquah and Dampare knows he cannot lie. So the connection is there. Now mu kuye most have a president Teddy. So you and the IGP, you are all accomplices in the murder of JB Danquah. Abuzanga, what they want no so. We see ashe. Beka say anana say kasa no and shed ana massa. Na mo just say moving na end ana. Na end you. Me say 4-4-2 formation and one ebebo. De mo am kae no and e be busa mo nsem. Me say de mo bia ma no kae no and no nsem e busa mo Abuzanga. Come and give us answers. Come and dare the IGP that you are right. You are a credible man. Assembly o can be no kre. IGP knows the murderer. You are sitting there. I was rough. Open President Teddy. You say moi. If you were in the United States of America where the law works, you will be in jail. But it is Ghana, and the new Ghana will not allow this nonsense to happen. So IGP Dampare, to me, and reasonable Ghanaians, I speak to some police officers. I say this IGP is too corrupt. And the JB Danquah issue, it worries them. Senior police officers, they see you as a murderer. Senior police officers. The last time I talked to one of them, Manumpo from Kambabodi, or say they don't even understand why he cannot speak on the matter. I say yes, because he knows. Police officers in Penifo. I say, Kevin, we just don't even understand. Just say no and move. He can't. He's now who IGP Dampare. Obi na car say far. Obi oku yire ho aka go chini pa no. And kwa chini pa say ya body you are a person of interest. Enti make Ghana for say who checks the IGP? Who is there to check this IGP? IGP can do anything he wants, but not under our watch. This new Ghana will not allow men like you to lead a force we trust. And the police force has turned into a murdering machine led by a murdering man, because you murder and you protect murderers. I am saying this because of what Kennedy said. He said, now the first law in policing, make sure the law works. That's the first law in policing. So if you are not somebody who enjoys people who murder people, the first thing we're supposed to do the day you took office was supposed to call Kennedy on live TV to say, you said this. Where are your facts? I never said this. I don't know anything. Where did you get these facts from? That is when we get to know you are a legit man. You, an accomplice. Leave the youth alone. IGP Danquah, leave them. Leave.
Now order for said yeah Kevin Taylor didn't sell not to John and no be no more kasa ampa. Say Kevin Kasa way one moment no ebe a dream pie because won't me make allegations. Now why I can't some idea to so a basis abri won't me ye a year of one no once so doing some no eba once work one not to a camera yes we are okay with yes and some no air quantity so one which you say yeah one of one no crane ended dear and one fair no anchor a campaign message no na yes and no bar one j salary or bar or no 24 no one call and no concord danche and no yes secondary matter one for JB Danquah edu ede no enye the first matter our beka eye ehun ensem order for wutie eye Kevin Taylor allegations or the ebe hu be yam say eye IGP wo beba bonten ababeyi eye ense we nyina ano na ebiem so wo ka say anka eye US memu ana say eye amanone a anka wo mu nyina no ya ma wo mo agyae eye wo mu dibre ede ato wo no wo hwa eno so no den na wo mo enye emfa ho why don't you fabra ebe to your comment section, like a videos, na share on all the social media platform no eso media ene ekuya sikapa makram
Ebusia wonim se abefunim de ena sesei ewoso wonim se wontimi bibia ewo wiase sesei abra wonfo abefunim de emfa nka ho wosan so enim se sesei no ebesonsum nsam so a abefunim de asan agbewremu ana aso daye wonti ase wodaye so ache wodaye so entimi mbem enonchi enene me kanfo prophet Dr. Abennego ediama ono ena onyankopon enam ne so na ode abefu ewremu ewo sunsun semu a ode ji Yankopon emma edi from how ene mamane ene omatiti mu erunti onyankopon ena mane so edi a new spiritual science technology edi ababontin aye freno aye castoplanto technologies beba cha wo hwe prophet Dr. Abennego owo insam adwagiri castoplanto technologies, casting out negativities and planting in positivities.